What's going on, Craftinistas? I am back with number 4 in the prayer journal series. I have these cute little notebooks that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I just love that little floral flap that's on the front of that. And I thought that I would do something with these. I initially wanted to do something for these that would be something you can throw in your purse. Is that what I was thinking of? And I picked up 3 of them and I started playing around and I cut up the same paper pad that I was cutting up before, the Bible journaling paper pad from Michaels. And I'm just gonna take a look and see, we're just gonna take a look and see what I did here. So I'm going to take some of my art glitter glue and I'm gluing down some paper that will cover the saying inside. And then I am covering up the middle with some of the little sayings that they had in that paper pad, little bookmarks. And then I added some of that gold washi that I've been playing around with. And that will be the theme for that journal. Then I took some of those laminators from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm just going to lay that down. I should have laid it down first and then took that strip off, but I did that backwards. But I'm just laying down another sheet of paper there, and then I've gotten that piece of cardstock all laminated. Then I'm just adding some score tape so they can be nice and secure, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of my glue also around the sides and then the bottom, and then just leaving the top open. In doing that, it's going to leave a pocket. So the idea was to be able to use more than one pen, use highlighters, um, anything that I want. So these are 3 of the gel pens from the Dollar Tree, and they are really fine tip writing, and I really like writing with them. I'm writing with them in my half notebook journal, and I enjoy writing with them. So if anyone's wondering about the quality of them. So here I am on notebook number 2, and these are real simple, guys. And then just adding another scripture for the theme of that one. And then I am going to make another one of those pockets. So this time I am actually laying down and doing it right. Then I'm pulling the strip, pushing it down to adhere it, and then taking my paper and slowly pulling it back. That way I don't have any bubbles in it. And then it's nice and laminated. So once I got that laminated, I'm going to flip it over, use my score tape, and then I used also the glue to reinforce it. Then I'm just going to lay that over on the back, and then I create that pocket, securing it down. And then on the last one, I got lucky. There was actually a mistake, and there were 2 of them. So I decided to just flip it around the back. And this one I didn't create a pocket. I just decided that I would cut my paper and display it inside the back cover. And so still using that Bible journaling paper from Michaels. I'm throwing the theme of the colors all together, and then I'm gluing down my scripture that I want for the front. And then see how that floral just goes around it. And then have all three of them complete, and I decided to do some dividing of the pages on this first one here, and to show a different way of doing some sectioning. I'm just going to take my scissors here and cut off a corner of one section, and then take the next section that I divided and cut off the bottom corner of that section. And this is good for, you can use washi tape also to do the division, but this is good if you were maybe thinking about having sections sort of like in my first video, how I sectioned out different things, but maybe you just want this one to be in your purse for different prayers for your family, immediate family members, church members. Someone just gives you a name of someone, and then 5 minutes later you forget what the name was. You can jot it down in a certain section um, in your journal. So these are just things that I wanted to share. So I think that the smaller journals, it's just to give an idea of different ways of doing things, because everyone thinks different, and then everyone wants to do something different. So what may work for one person may not work for the other. That's what I'm trying to say. So that one is complete. I'm just going to add one of these pens from a pack from the Dollar Tree, and just slide that down on the side. And of course, I love pink, and I use pink, of course, all in that journal. So I just picked the pink one. And then on the second one here, I decided to use these flags from the Dollar Tree. Um, these sticky note flags shouldn't be too hard to find, hopefully. And then I just section off a few sections here, and you can always have these flags sticking out as another option. And then for the back here, I remember back in high school using metallic pens and getting excited signing a yearbook, and I love to write in metallic, so I thought that it would be neat to, do something different, maybe do some metallic writing in that. So there's another thought, and that's that journal. And then this is that first one with those Dollar Tree gel pens. So this one was sweet and simple, and I hope you are enjoying this series. Thanks for watching, Crafty Nistas.